can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Good morning.
Morning.
I'm fine.
So, for the DXY, first is to go on to forestfactory.com. So when we go to Forest Factory, I want to check the news we have because most times news are drivers of price. So I want to see which news do we have in the days of my trade, like the news we have, so that we know the news that will help me push price. So for today, I shouldn't be trading. I don't have any. We don't have any serious thing happening in the market. We even have a couple of bank holiday. We have this bank holiday. So I kinda just on the sideline for today. Then Tuesday I can be looking at to see if I could get a trade. You understand? Then Wednesday we'll
Yeah.
have these red folders. I think Tuesday we have something like this. We'll have this as well. But this for card. Nothing serious for USD though. So but okay, on Thursday we have this as well. So we might have the big expansion of the week coming in on Thursday. So maybe Tuesday will be more of like the first move, then Thursday we round it up, then maybe say Friday will be silent. You understand? So most time I just check the news to know
Yeah.
where the drivers of price, which day they are, as I will see drivers of price, so that I won't waste my whole week staring on the screen and end up missing the trade the day I'm supposed to catch the big moves. Because when you catch the big moves, you rest. So looking at what we have on this DXY is bearish. We had when you look closely in my last video, I think 2 weeks before now, I marked this area that I want to see a drop from from here. And if this thing is dropping, it should drop to down to this place. You understand? So this will be like the new quarterly shift. Like the 3 months can, like the next 3 months should look like this, like coming down to this region. Do you understand? So and
Okay.
we had more of the swing low forming here, and I consider this as a change of character, but you will not see it. It takes a very experienced eyes to see it. Consider this as a change of character. Then when you look closely again, we'll see that we are about to violate um, a fair value gap, like an inverted fair value gap. So you might still have price visiting that area later. That's where we'll have something like this. So that was then looking at here again, we'll have this um, weekly order block. I don't know if you're following.
Yeah, I'm following. Thanks.
So coming to the H4, coming to the H4, we'll have this. So you see that, but there's something that happened on the daily. Let me show you something I saw on the daily. One day, something that happened on the daily. Okay, I think we'll still have that fair value gap. So we'll have this fair value gap initially, and on Friday price rejected this, as in price gave this on Friday. So you see that it looks like a mitigation. I don't know if you understand. Had it been it came in on Tuesday or Thursday, would have that price closing below here. So but if we still want to go um deeper for deeper retracement, then here will be like the internal highs that need to be cleared out before what is it called, before we finally drop. So we might have a drop coming in from here. If you know about engulfing patterns, but I don't use engulfing pattern. I don't use all those patterns at all. But we had a good rejection from this 4 hours fair value gap. It was not violated, but if we are violating it, then we'll have something like this, because we have this inverted fair value gap. So we'll have something like this. Let's say price come into this. If you could remember where we marked this place from the weekly, I don't know if you can still remember.
I can remember.
So we might have price come using this inverted fair value gap to come for a deeper retracement, and then we drop. So but if we are not doing that, then we should get our drop from this. Get our drop from this. But I don't want it today. You understand? I don't want it today. It should be from tomorrow. It should be from tomorrow, not today. Then when you go to Euro USD, let me look for a clean chart. That should be dirty. Okay. So same scenario is printing here. This sell is coming from those that missed last week's sell. Let me give last week's sell, like the small sell. The small sell was not really that clear on EU, but it was clearer on GU. So we had inverted fair value gap, price just sniped into it, and then I think around 40 pips or thereabout, or 35 pips, just few pips. And so we have price coming in for the normal type of fair value gap we have, which is this. I don't know if you're following. You see, so my half price come for this, and then we go up. Or if we're giving the deeper retracement, then we're coming here. I don't know if you understand. Same thing has to do with GPB USD. Let me look for. Okay. So we might see my half price coming for this tiny fair value gap. Probably they may come for this, and then we'll have a push to continue upside. Same way we had that same view for DXY.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you have any question. That's the probably two pairs I trade, or if you want me to look into another pair for you, I can quickly do that.
Can you look at EJ?
EJ, okay. Okay. I'm coming. Let me check the EJ. I had to check the index. That's the index we use in trading JPY pairs. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, you use Yenbasket for just like the way you use what is it called? The way you use DXY. You understand? You know what DXY is used for now.
Yeah, I know what the XY is.
So the way you use what you use DXY for is same way you use what is it called, EJ, as in Yenbasket for EJ as well. No,
Okay.
no, no, no. We might have this. It's very, very tricky. You see this lang candle? This. That's the other block, but it's very, very big. You understand? It's very, very big. So you look out for lower time frame confirmation inside, or you do this. We'll have this, but that should not be today. I don't want it today. I want it tomorrow. I'm an advocate of price and time and price. So I don't like most of my good trades coming in on Monday.
Is it because that's when the market opens?
Not really. Most of the time, the market gives me, specifically the way I trade, the market gives me at the end of the daily candle, the way the daily candle closes will not tell me how the week will look like. I don't know if you understand. To
Okay,
give me a
I
view, like
understand.
to give me a view how the week will look like. So most times, if I rush and trade the, for me personally, if I rush and trade that Monday um, trade, I'll now be, most time I'll be blindfolded of what the week will look like. You understand? I'll just keep on holding on to um what, like what the daily candle of that Monday is telling me. You understand? Sometimes it makes me to kind of shift. Mostly top down analysis is supposed to be done Monday night or Tuesday morning. So, but we've been accustomed to weekend top down analysis because you're not supposed to be doing analysis when the market is closed. It's not proper. You understand? So, most times you see, and if you remember what ICT taught as well about what's this topic? They call it Power 3, where you have the from 12 o'clock on Monday, 12 o'clock a.m. on Monday, like if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. from Monday in the morning, you want to see where is this first price action leading to. It will first go to an institutional reference point first before it will now continue the move. That's all where we have that manipulation and then distribution. You understand? When you see where it says in a bearish week you want to see price start buying first before it starts selling. In a bullish week you have to want to see price start selling first before buying, so that if they want to take, because sometimes you have this kind of setup of liquidity grab and then a change of character or a change of structure before the continuation to the upside. You understand? So all those things are things that the Monday will give you a view. So even if you're trading the Monday, like you're trading on Monday, you should have in mind that after Monday you should redo your analysis. I don't know if you understand. Like you cool down and redo it again so that you will know if you're still trading within what the higher time frame is still saying. I don't know if you understand. So if I'll be trading this is what I'll be looking at. Then you can still do let's say 50% of it, and it should be up to 25 pip. Wow, it's large. 44 pips. 44 pips. For this high should be the ultimate drawn liquidity if you can hold. It's still a good trade. It's still a good trade. 300. So around 1 is to 10. You can decide to still go lower for um lower time for confirmation. You can decide to use 1 minute or 5 minutes depending on the way you trade. You see, on 30 minutes you still have this other block. So if you can, if price gives you this, then it's awesome. If price gives you this, is awesome. This should be around 25 pips.
Hmm.
I see
Thank you.
26. So eh,
Oh, thank you.
you're welcome. Where do you base?
Abuja.
Abuja. On a big city now. The OGs.
We are trying.